Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tiffany. Today's video, we're gonna do a couple easy Halloween DIYs. They're super simple, everybody can do them, even if you're not good at DIYs. I promise you, they're easy and they're fairly cheap. I got them at the dollar store, 99-cent store, Walmart, places like that. So if you wanna see what I've got in store, then please keep watching. All right guys, we're ready to start. I've got my hair up out of my face. Let's begin. So, first things first, I have a little floral foam, my witch's feet, a cauldron, some neon green spooky lights. I've got some rocks to weigh it down. I'll show you later. If you don't have any rocks, you don't have to. We just have high winds here in Vegas, so I want to make sure it doesn't blow away or go anywhere. Creepy little eyeballs and a few skeleton heads. We put those on top. And last but not least, most important part is the polyfill. So I've got extra throw pillows around my house that I just took these out of. There's a ton that I have and I'm not using, so why not put it to good use? Upcycle, right? So I'm gonna take my floral foam, stick it in my cauldron here. I'm gonna stick a little bit of my hot glue into my floral foam, and then I'll stick my stake in there just so it stays and it doesn't go anywhere. Just that boy in there like that. We'll do the same with this one. Okay, now you can see he's stuck in there like so. I'm gonna take some rocks. I got these from my front yard. I do live in Las Vegas. We have a desert landscape everywhere, so there's tons of rocks. This will just help weigh it down. Next, we're gonna take our green string lights, wrap those around the legs. Make sure you leave enough room for the cord to stick out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this tape and I'm gonna tape up the lights to the edge of the cauldron just so the lights at the top don't get lost. Okay, last but not least is the easy part. Just gonna take your polyfill, stick it in there, kind of have it looks like bubbles, like a cauldron, kind of have some sticking out. Just play with it until you like it. Just for that extra little creepy touch, add some skulls and some eyeballs, and maybe a few little spiders on the top. Next up, we're gonna make some spiders crawling on a pumpkin. This one is super easy. I've seen this one everywhere. I've seen people do it with the Dollar Tree pumpkins, the little small orange ones, and have them walk all over it. I'm gonna make a little trail for the spiders to go. You need an orange styrofoam pumpkin, real pumpkin, whichever you prefer, whatever color. I'm doing orange and black because it's typical Halloween colors. I'm just gonna start adding. Our spider pumpkin. The spider's crawling all over it. It's kind of creepy. I like it. Probably gonna add some more spider webs to it, cover the top with it outside. But I really like how it turned out. Very cute. You can go all out and do all of them, or you can do a little trail like I did, whichever you prefer. Either way, it looks really good. All right, next up, we're taking this old black pumpkin of mine. It's kind of like started to warp, so it's kind of perfect for like a monster-y themed pumpkin. So we're going to take these googly guys here and we're gonna attach them to the pumpkin to make a googly-eyed pumpkin. Now I got these googly eyes from Walmart. They are self-adhesive. I believe it was like $5.97 for this large pack. I know you can find cheaper at the dollar store, but whatever you have works. I am probably gonna add some hot glue to some if it seems like it's not sticking, but these are supposed to be self-adhesive, so we'll see. All different sizes. Okay, got my ugly black pumpkin here. I'm probably gonna turn this around so you can't see it. Like that. And then start adding your googly eyes. So go ahead and start sporadically putting these places. Okay, got the big ones on. Push them in, make sure they're on. Now I'm just gonna start filling in the gaps with the smaller ones. You could put as many as you like, or two, just to make two eyes, whatever you prefer. So we got our two pumpkins. I've got one more coming. Okay, last but not least, we're just gonna add this cute little boo sequin decal I got from the 99-cent store to this black pumpkin. And that's it, easy peasy. Boo. Nice little glam touch to the outside, kind of gothic too. Love it. So here we go, we got all 3 pumpkins here that we made. 3 different options, easy, cheap. You get everything basically at the dollar store or Walmart for $1 or $2. Won't break the bank. You could use pumpkins you already have. You could use real pumpkins, whichever you prefer. Love it, so cute. Alright guys, last but not least, we're going to take some of these 98-cent Halloween silhouette cutouts. I got the spider ones. I know they had cats, owls, and a few other different ones, maybe even some mice or some rats. Those are kind of yucky and creepy too. But I picked the spiders, so we're just going to take these, take some double-sided tape, and stick it to our front door. Easy. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these easy Halloween DIYs. If you give them a try, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Also, stay tuned. We've got a lot more Halloween videos coming. We've got another DIY, we've got a trick-or-treat table, we've got some Halloween treats, all kinds of fun fall festivities coming your way. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!